Hey guys, this is Susie Nelson. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant for today, and welcome to my MadSense Profit Review. Kim and I have spent a few hours going over this product and its training, so you don't have to. If you want to know if MadSense Profits is going to save you time by setting up and maintaining your blog, providing quality, never-ending done-for-you content, and generate endless traffic to your Google ranking blog, making constant passive income, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to go over some of the MadSense Profit sales page and some of the promises it makes to you. And then I'm also going to go into the product and we're actually going to use it and see what it can do. As a newbie on affiliatemarketinginformant.com, Kim issued me a magnifying glass on my first day. And I promise to honestly and candidly inform you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. Don't forget to check out the links below if you want training on how to do affiliate marketing successfully. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find value in this video. Let me know I'm doing something right. So bottom line, MadSense Profits promises to activate profit sites instantly in one click that generate us passive income 24/7, 365, even while we're sleeping. So this is what it looks like today. But on March 16th, before they launched, their ad banner actually said AdSense in one click, generate, set, and forget AdSense sites instantly with the world's first natural content spinner. So that's not a big deal. There's typically some tweaks when everybody goes into production. Maybe it just didn't test very well. So if we scroll down the page, we do have a welcome video. That's typical. It does say how to profit with MadSense Profits in 3 simple steps. So the first step is to choose a topic or niche. Then we're going to activate the automated profit sites. And step 3 will be monetized with AdSense in just one click. So as we scroll down, we see a little bit more of the page. I am specifically an avid instruction reader. You guys can read this just as well as I can, but I did want to call out a few things. It says, what if you could make money without writing a single word and automate everything? So they do promise some really big monthly earnings here. We have lifestyle blog at $41,000 a month. Scroll down, we've got budgeting and parenting at $86,000 a month. And then the winner today is family lifestyle and travel with $170,000 per month with this product. So it says that running a website wasn't easy and they touch on the pain points. So we've got time consuming setup, never ending content creation, and struggling with traffic. So as we scroll down, one thing I wanted to notice is that here they repeat their 3 simple steps. So we have step 1, it's pick a topic or a niche and watch the app create your blog. And step 2, it says let the software steal and repurpose existing online content into unique natural posts with 0 editing required. So if you notice right here, it does say steal. I know I work really hard for everything I have, and most people I know also work hard for everything they have. They really don't want their content stolen. And it also says here 0 editing required. So we'll take a look at that and see if that's actually true as well. So if we keep scrolling down, we look at step 3, monetize in one click with AdSense ads. And it also says down here that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, ironclad 100%. So that is the sales page. And now we're going to go over to the MadSense dashboard. So on the MadSense dashboard, you can see here you've got all of the tabs on the left. Kim has taught me very well to read all of the policies and procedures before you join a program. So let's start with license rights. So there's nothing in there yet. It just says share your blog. We've got 2 in red, upgrade to pro, and 20 done for you blogs. I believe these are going to be OTOs, so we don't really expect anything in there right now. Instant traffic, so that one's not up and running. So it looks like we have create new blog and manage your blogs as the only 2 that are currently working. So let's go into create your blog and do it exactly as they want you to do it from the very beginning. So we will add an article. Playground safeties first. We'll pick playground safety. Patio furniture repair is also outdoor, and cedar mulch is also outdoor. So we'll pick some outdoor things. And we have the option to edit over here, but I want to see if this actually does what it says it's going to do first. So let's go in. We'll give our blog a title. We'll call it Outdoor Things. And then if we go to author name, we'll just say AMI. We'll change it to green since it's outdoors. And then as the affiliate link, we will just go to our website and take that from there. Here we go. You can do an anchor for your link. So I'm going to type in AMI link so we'll know where that's at. You have a place here for your AdSense code header banner, AdSense code sidebar banner, header script and pixel code, and then you can do an about page or a contact page as well. So let's save and publish. And it takes us right up to manage our blogs. So we know that we named ours Outdoor Things. So Outdoor Things. Okay, great. So the green is there. It's named Outdoor Things. We've got our 3 articles in here. Let's check an article out. So if we look at where our link went, so that's nice. Does it pop up? Yep, that's exactly what we wanted. So that looks good. So let's check this out. They said we weren't going to have to edit, correct? Cedar mulch is a generally very popular beneficial of substance implemented all for mulching. Given the significance of the process of mulching all for the fine popularity of our plans, that much awareness was located on the cedar mulch. So I am not happy with those sentences, personally. There's capitalization where there shouldn't be. It doesn't actually make much sense. So that's not great, but there was an option to create a new blog. So you can actually add a blank article. So maybe we find an article somewhere else that we like and we want to try to put that in there. So we had our website up. Let's scroll down and find a couple of sentences. So here is why video is the best marketing tool. You can't be an online marketer today and not hear of marketers telling you to do a video. So let's take those 2 sentences and go into their content spinner. We'll paste that and then generate new version. So the new sentences say, here is for what purpose vid is the most skillful promotional tool. All of us can't consist of an online affiliate marketer today, and so generally not hear of promoters telling any person how to perform. I don't like that either. So this doesn't feel like it's human driven. I just hit generate again. We'll see if it spins something new. Here is why the world movie is the most proficient marketing tool. Here you can't contain an on the web seller today, as well as not notice of promoters telling anyone to be able to accomplish video. And again, we have some capitalization that necessarily shouldn't be there. This is just not my favorite. So it wouldn't let me save it. Oh, it looks like there's a box here. Let's type in new one and retry saving. Oh, so it did save the article. Okay, so you can go in here and edit and put your own articles in. You can take content from somebody else and have it spin, but I didn't feel like it made very much sense to me. That concludes the review of MadSense Profits. So what is it that makes MadSense Profits unique? They say themselves that MadSense Profits is a cloud-based software that builds and maintains passively monetized sites for you in any niche. Its unique human-driven spin technology delivers you unlimited, unique content that drives traffic and profits. Well, I will definitely say that the content was unique, and the way that they deliver it could possibly be unlimited, but I'm just not sure that it's going to rank on Google. So let's take a look at some of the other things you need to know before you buy. As for domains, hosting, and software, we know that they all cost money for upkeep, maintenance, domains you have to redo every year or two. So with this, they are going to host all of that and do all of that for you. Is it 100% yours? And what happens if at some point this product stops being promoted? What happens to your blog? Where will it go? How will you still profit from it? And what about content spinning? Is content spinning even legal? So I Googled what is a spin in writing. And it says, what is spinning? Spinning is just disguised plagiarism. If you copy someone's writing, but change enough words around so it doesn't look like you copied word for word, that's spinning. And that's from simplewriting.org. So I don't know if plagiarism is actually illegal. My question to you is it ethical? Want to know more about article spinning? Check out our other video, The Ugly Truth About Article Spinners. The quality of the content from their first natural robot isn't very good, and I don't feel like it's any different than what's already on the market. And as far as Google rankings, to rank in Google, your content's got to be pretty good. After some of those articles reread, do you feel like they're going to rank on Google? So let's look at some of the pricing. So the pricing that they have listed for MadSense Profits is $16.93 on a dime sale, which just means that the price is going to go up incrementally as it's released. And then we have 5 OTOs. So it looks like we have Platinum Edition, which I believe on the dashboard, it actually said the Pro Edition, which is fine. Done for you. So those two are already on the dashboard for us. And then it looks like 3, 4, and 5 will be coming with easy affiliate profits, 1K daily system, and unlimited traffic. So I like to start by reviewing my vendors. I'm going to go into Munchai and take a look at Brendan Mace. So it looks like Brendan Mace started launching in October 9th of 2016. And so if we take a look at some of his products, it looks like he's had quite a few launches, some even twice a month, almost monthly, 2016 down to now. And he's already got another product set to launch less than a month away. So it does look like he is a serial launcher. I don't know if that's good, bad, or indifferent, but it just means that he does put out quite a few products, and he does seem to put them out pretty quickly. I did go onto Brendan Mace's YouTube page to try and find out a little bit more about him. I picked his first video on his playlist, the most current, actually. And if you scroll down, there are some negative comments down here, mostly about the refunds not being issued and people not happy about it. Also found out he did some books on Amazon, so I wanted to take a look at the reviews on that. And it doesn't look like any of his books. This one has 3 stars by 2 reviews, no reviews, 2.5 stars with 6 reviews. So a few reviews, nothing stellar. Quite a few books with very little reviews. This one actually looks pretty good, but it is not by him, so I went too far. So that is the little bit of research I was able to do on Brendan Mace. So now let's take a look and see if I answered the questions I started with at the beginning of this video. Will MadSense Profits save you time by setting up and maintaining your blog? Yes, but for how long? I just don't feel like I know enough about it that I would trust that to be there if something were to happen. Does it provide quality, never-ending content for you? Yes, it does provide never-ending done-for-you content, but is it quality? So that would be my yes and no on that particular question. And then 3 is, does it generate endless traffic to your Google ranking blog, making constant passive income? Maybe. We saw the quality of the articles. I personally don't think it would be any better than what anybody else could put out. I don't think the content spinner is better at rewriting that article than a human would be. It may be human-driven, but it needs a little bit more work. And that is why I personally would not recommend MadSense Profit. Guys, that's it for our MadSense Profits review from affiliatemarketinginformant.com. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer, ask us in the comments below. We'll be happy to get back to you as soon as we can. And don't forget, if you're wanting to succeed with affiliate marketing, we've got the best tips, tricks, tools, and training for you down below. Thank you so much for watching.